Soft drinks, sweets and packaged desserts, all obvious sources of sugar. But how about tinned vegetables and savoury sauces? Did you know that some brands of tomato sauce for pasta have the equivalent of 30 grams of sugar, about the same as in a Mars bar? Health researchers in a new Lancet report say that 74% of packaged food and drinks in the US have added sweeteners.
The added sugars into our whole food supply is really one kind of a pernicious, kind of negative, adverse way that the global food companies are hurting our health. The sugar in our food supply is very subtle. They use hundreds of different names for it, and we're not aware of it.
Glucose syrup, nectar, or whatever it's called, the World Health Organization says we should be eating less of it. It updated its guidelines this year to recommend people cap their sugar intake to 5% of their diets, not including sugars naturally found in fruit, vegetables, or milk. But the reality is people consume far more sugar than that, particularly in sweetened beverages, such as sports drinks, fruit juice, and flavoured water. The highest consumption of sugary drinks in terms of calories a day or volume sold per person is in North and Latin America, Australasia and Western Europe.
Governments don't take this issue on board, which is certainly happening in lots of regions of the world. We're going to keep seeing this large, rapid increase in diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular death, and subsequently in a number of cancers. 13 of the top 16 cancers are related to abdominal obesity or obesity, and the World Cancer Research Federation also listed this as one of their top 10 prevention actions. Actually, number 2 after tobacco, cutting soft drinks and sugary beverages out of our diet.
The Lancet authors say that introducing a sugar tax of 20% or more can have a noticeable effect on decreasing consumption of sugary drinks, particularly in children and adolescents. And that's already having a positive effect in places like Finland, France, Hungary and Mexico.